हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स रीड द क्वेश्चन। ड्रा द थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल्स। सो बच्चों, इसमें क्या बनाना है? इस क्वेश्चन में जो थ्री टाइप क्यूबिक यूनिट सेल होते हैं वो बनाना है। तो इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट क्या है? की कॉन्सेप्ट इज दैट यूनिट सेल इज द यूनिट सेल इज द smallest portion of a crystal lattice, which when repeated in different direction which when repeated in different directions generates the entire lattice generates the entire lattice. So what are the three type of unit cell? Let's write here. Three types of unit cell are three types of unit cell are first of all primitive or simple, primitive or simple. Second one is body centered cubic lattice, and third is face centered unit cell. So let's start first of all primitive. This is the primitive. Here all atoms are at the edge center, are at the corners of the cube. So here let's draw the atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and here 8. So this is the first one and it is primitive. Let's draw second, that is body centered. Here atoms are present at all the corners of the cube and at the one body center. So let's draw it. So this is the, so let's draw here atom. Here this is the corner atoms, and here one atom is at the body centered. So here this is all about the second structure, that is body centered unit cell. And let's draw third, that means that is face centered. So here in this face centered, all the atoms are present at corners of the cube along with all the face centers. So let's draw its structure here. So this is the cube. Here we are drawing the structure of cube, and here atoms are present at first of all blue. Let's represent blue atom with corner atom and in face centered with atom with green structure. So here it is first and here it is second, third, fourth. This is 3D structure. So here we have to draw one atom out on the opposite face of it. That means here one atom and here the second atom will be on this face center. So total 6 face centered atom and 8 corner atoms. So this is all about the third structure. That means here this is face centered. वो बच्चों आपको कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया होगा. थैंक यू एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.